Good morning, students. I am Seema Rajput, Assistant Professor at SIRT, EX Department. Our subject name is Signals and Systems, and subject code is EX302. Today, we have to discuss the topic numericals on continuous time signals. So, firstly, what is continuous time signal? Continuous time signal, those signals which are depends on every instant of time, that is called continuous time signals. And we have to evaluate the following integrals in that particular video. So that is the examples of integrals we have to solve one by one. So I will explain you in brief. First example is integration of minus infinity to infinity e to the power minus 8t square del t minus 5 dt. So we have to solve this. We know that the property of impulse function or the mathematical expression or function of impulse response, that is del t equal to 1 for t equal to 0 and 0 for t not equal to 0. In that condition, here del t minus 5 equal to 1 for t equal to 5 and 0 elsewhere. For particular this function, we have to solve the integral. In place of del t minus 5, put 1. So overall function is e to the power minus 80 square. In that function, we have to put t equal to 5. So we have to evaluate the function. Its answer is e to the power minus 25a, because we put the value of t equal to 5. So we put the 5 in place of t. T square, so that is 25, and so the answer is e to the power minus 25a. That is its answer. Another example is integration of 0 to infinity t square del t minus 6 dt. In that case, del t minus 6 equal to 1 for t equal to 6 and 0 for elsewhere. So in particular, in that case, del t minus 6 equal to 1 in the function. So the remaining function is t square. In that place, in place of t, we put t equal to 6. So the answer is 36. Okay. Another example is 0 to 3, integration of 0 to 3 del t sine 5 pi t dt. Okay. So in that question, del t is alone, means in the place of t nothing is there, means del t equal to 1 for t equal to 0 and 0 for elsewhere. So del integration of 0 to 3 del t sine 5 pi t dt remaining as sine 5 pi t, and in place of t we have to put t equal to 0, because in t equal to 0 del t equal to 1. So sine 5 pi 0, so sine 0 is equal to 0. Another example is integration of minus infinity to infinity del t plus 2 e to the power minus 2t dt. So in that case, del t plus 2 equal to 1 for t equal to minus 2 and 0 for elsewhere. So del t plus 2 equal to 1, remaining function is e to the power minus 2t. So in place of t, we have to put t equal to minus 2. So in that case, answer is e to the power 4. Okay. Last one is e to the integration of minus infinity to infinity t minus 2 to the power 3 del t minus 2 dt. So we have to solve the function of del t minus 2, that is t minus 2 equal to 1 for t equal to 2 and 0 for elsewhere. In that condition we have to put the value of t equal to 2. So the answer is 0 because t minus 2 whole cube, so put 2, so 2 minus 2 equal to 0, then final answer is 0. So that is the examples of integrals. Okay, so you have to clear with that examples. Thank you so much. If you have any query, please ask me anytime. Thank you so much, students. Thank you.